Hello, it's Owen here at Tonic HQ, and we've got another bundle weekend for you on the Tonic Studios store. To celebrate the Pantone colour of the year, classic blue, we've got some awesome blue themed bundles for you on the store, so let's find out what they are. First up, we've got our Blue Moon Pure Sheen bundle, which is confetti, glitters and sequins all at 60% off. Next is our Out of the Blue bundle, which is a classic card bundle, and you got that for 50% off on the store. We've got our Blue Heaven Speciality card bundle, and there's 5 packs in there, all at 50% off. We have our Royal Blues bundle, which is a mix card bundle, and that's got glitter card, pearlescent and mirror card there for 40% off. Our Deep Blue Sea bundle is next, and it's an embellishment mousse bundle. It's 5 altogether, with 3 of those being embellishment mousse and 2 being our expanded mousse. So that's available for you at 40% off. Our Blue Yonder bundle is our final bundle of the week, and it's Nouveau drops. You've got glitter drops, jewel drops and crystal drops in there at 30% off. And that's it for our blue theme bundle this week. You can find these deals on the UK and US store, but you can order them worldwide. So grab yourself a bargain this weekend.